How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the House of Horror, and today I'm going to be unboxing the very first Loot Fright crate. I've been looking forward to this specifically for a long time. I ordered this all the way back in September. It finally came today, and I'm really excited about it. Originally, the tracking information said it wasn't going to get here till November, so I'm really excited that this actually was able to get in before Halloween. All the franchises inside this crate are franchises I actually really like, so I've really been looking forward to this for a long time. And without further ado, let's just crack this open. Oh, yeah. All right. So right off the bat, we've got a Trick or Treat shirt. This is very cool. I love the movie Trick or Treat. A lot of people think it's overrated like Jared, but I really love this movie and I'm really stoked about this shirt actually. This shirt is awesome. I'm totally gonna wear this tomorrow. So next we've got something from one of my favorite horror movies of all time, Evil Dead 2. I'm not actually sure what this is, so let's open it up here. And actually before I open this, I want to mention that this actually said on it 18 and up. So there must be some mature things in here. It says adult collectible, not a toy. Alright, let's take it out of the box here. So we've got Ash, we've got a Deadite, and this is some sort of stand that they go on. I guess this is the picture on the front, just tells you how it's supposed to be. So I'll just put this together real fast, I guess. And I'm dropping things all over the floor. Come on. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Now it actually makes sense on what it's supposed to be. So it's Ash and the little grandma's coming out of the basement. And yeah, this thing is really cool. We've got this neat little pin here. It's some sort of mummy. I don't think this is from any of the movies. This is just like a little pin that they have in Loot Fright. And I'm sure they'll have a bunch more with each Loot Fright crate that comes out. So next we've got something in this package here. And this has a zipper on it. What is this? Oh, this is a pillowcase. Oh, there's a Night of the Living Dead pillowcase, it looks like. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Again, Night of the Living Dead, one of my favorite horror movies of all time. And we've got a little informational thing about Night of the Living Dead, some sort of Kickstarter that's going on. I don't give a shit about this. And we've got a Nightbreed graphic novel. It is not written by Clive Barker, so that is a little bit of a letdown. And we see my boy right here, Nicholas Vince, the Moon Man on there. This is a full graphic novel. It's not something real short. This is an actual graphic novel. So this is really cool, and some sort of coupon for an online store. Again, I do not give a shit. So here's like a little card that explains exactly what everything is. I'm a little disappointed it's not a poster like with the Loot Gaming crates have, but let's see how they describe some of these things. So we've got the Evil Dead 2 sculpture, like it said, exclusive Trick or Treat t-shirt. Night of the Living Dead VHS cover pillowcase. So that was the VHS cover, I didn't notice that. Loot Fright edition, Clive Barker's Nightbreed Volume 1. And an exclusive mummy pin. So this is very cool. On the inside of the box here just kind of has some hands coming out. I would have liked this to be a little bit more creative. I know some of the Loot Gamies are actually insane, but you know, it's simple, it's classy, it's whatever. So that was the Loot Fright crate. Again, I'm really happy that that came in before Halloween, and I'm very happy with all the items that were inside of the crate. I did not order the next one because it didn't seem as exciting as this one, but I really like this first crate, and hopefully down the road they have a lot of crates with a lot of stuff that I'm interested in. I really enjoy this crate, especially the shirt. I'm going to be wearing that all the time. Again, if you guys haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you know when I post new videos. And what would you like to see from me next? That's about it for this time, guys. We will see you next time, and take care.